Hi children, today I am explaining the new topic, the topic name Our Country, India. India is a country of vast geographical expanse. The boundaries of India, the Himalayas in the north, the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. The total area of India 3.28 million square kilometer. North to south extend Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari about 3214 kilometers, and east to west from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat the length 2933 kilometers. India has second most populous country of the world after China, and the coastal length of India 7516 kilometers. The location of India. India is located in the northern hemisphere. Latitude wise, the India located between the 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes. Longitude wise, 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude. The Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer passes middle of the country. It passes through 8 Indian states. The state names Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. The Tropic of Cancer divides the India into two parts. One is a tropical zone and one is a temperature zone. IST, Indian Standard Time, 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude we consider as a Indian Standard Time. It passes through 5 Indian states. The state names Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh. The time difference between the IST and GMT 5.5 hours. Each and every country to follow one standard time. India neighbors. There are 7 countries that share the land boundary with India. The country names Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. The Bangladesh has the highest land boundary with India, 4096 kilometers, very less with Afghanistan. Sri Lanka and Maldives, our neighbor islands. The Sri Lanka separated from India by the Palk Strait. The physical features of India. India has 6 physical features. The first one, the Himalayas and the Peninsular Plateau, the northern plains, the desert, the coastal plains, and the islands.